Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Gogeto Plays. Today I present you with another video, and today's video is gonna be a tutorial video on how to get My Hero Academia, the strongest hero, on your mobile if it's not available in your region. Yes, the game works perfectly fine. I'm show you that it is working perfectly fine for me. As you can see, it's loading. Now it's gonna load and will work perfectly fine 100% from Play Store. So if it's not available in your region, I'm going to show you how to download it. So first you need a VPN. Any VPN would work. You can go ahead and Google Play Store and download any VPN. Then you have to turn it on, disable optimization, and continue, stop using, deny that, or whatever it is. Then you have to connect it to the US and then continue. Connect, click OK. Yes, you're gonna experience ads, but that's completely okay. Disconnect, and now as you can see, it's connected to Super VPN. And now what you have to do is go on to your settings and open your apps, find Google Play Store. There it is, and then clear its data, because like this the Google will be like a newborn baby and it's not gonna recognize that it's in a different region. It's gonna think that it's in US or whatever region you connect the VPN to. Let it load, try again, server error, okay. And as you can see that now I'm connected to the US Play Store. As you can see, the dollars everywhere. Now you can actually search. Excuse me, let me search. You can now search from here. It's giving me a little bit of problem. My Hero Academia, the strongest hero. And as you can see, it's now available, and there's an update available. I'll do that later. But yeah, this is it. From here you can download it. I already downloaded it, so it's showing update for me. So, and then you can just play it, but be sure to have a lot of free space, because this game is like 7.4 gigabytes big. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. With that being said, I'm Gogeto. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends if you are a My Hero Academia fan as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.